Students, welcome back once again to my channel, that is Exam Success Series Entry Masterclass. So today again we are discussing the same topic, consumer electronics, but this is part 2. The chapter number is 11. So in the continuation of this, we have already seen in the last week, DTH, direct to home system. So direct to home DTH system involves mounting of dish antenna that is on the top of your home in and of your homes, right, where the obstacle is not there. There we have to install this antenna facing south location, aligning it for a maximum signal and connecting it to a set-top box. Please remember, the dish is connected to the set-top box. On the dish, there is one more part that is called as LNB, right? Low noise block down converter. Okay, so from there, the signal through wire, it is connected to your set-top box by a coaxial cable, the distribution of multiple channel TV program by using a satellite system. So please remember 2-3 things. On the dish, the signal come from the satellite system, that is from the satellites, and thus signals will be in KU band, right? Very high frequency band, which are directly coming and captured by the dish antenna. On the dish antenna, you have KU band LNB. From there, it is connected to your set-top box, and that set-top box is connected to your TV. So likewise, the whole thing can be seen. So as you can see in the picture below, there is transmitter part. That is from where it is. That is we call it as the broadcasting station or broadcasting center. That is will emit or will send signal to the satellite, and from satellite we will be receiving it. So that is direct to home system. Okay, right. Now what is inside the set-top box? I said set-top box. It will be a device which will capture or which will take signal from your dish antenna through coaxial cable, and it will convert it to a pictorial form or sound. That is, it produces sound and picture. So that all arrangement will be there inside your set-top box. There is a circuit, there is a tuner, there are different this thing will be there, like a power supply. Then panels will be there, STB decoder will be there, RAM will be there, flash memories will be there, and interface, audio and video interface will be there. So likewise, this everything will be there on the single board. Okay, right. So this is about the set-top box. That is what is there inside the box. Okay, so it is the electronic circuit as we have discussed. Now, VSAT. What is VSAT? Very small aperture terminal. Okay, VSAT is a satellite communication technology using a small dish antenna, typically 0.75 to 3.8 meters. It is small in size. What we use around in our homes nowadays. Okay, to provide two-way reliable voice data internet connectivity. It is used for what purpose? Voice, to transmit voice, to receive the voice. Data in the form can be audio or video, both, and internet connection also. So this is about set-top box and VSAT. Now we'll discuss a little more about the cable television technology. Okay, so what is cable television technology? A closed system that delivers multiple channels to home, right? But it delivers multiple channels to home and business and subscribers through coaxial cable or fiber optical technology. So it's a local, like cable television. It is not like a satellite TV. It will be a local type of connection, as you can see here down below in the pictorial diagram. In diagram I have given it. There is a picking antenna which will take signals from the satellite or some other area. Then it will be given through coaxial cable with the help of a different amplifier and different splitters and different distributing sort of this thing to our homes. So nowadays, cable television are less in number, but in remote places, in village area, it is still working. Okay, so it interfaces its signal quality and affected by noise and destruction. So this is about the cable television. Then one more thing, important thing is about the head-end equipment. You should know about what is head-end equipment. A master facility for receiving television signal for processing and distribution, right? That means when the signals are coming, it has to be distributed to different works as a distribution center for cable and television companies, may be called as head-end technicians. So the people who are working for cable television, who repairs, who maintains, so they are also called as head-end technicians. So you should know little about head-end equipments and head-end equipment. The person who take care of the equipment, he is called head-end technician. Okay, and different equipments which are used in your cable television technology, amplifier, wires, and it can be fiber optics also. It can be same because it's fiber optics, or through fiber optics. Nowadays, we are giving data that is in the form of all the channels and all the audio and videos coming through fiber optics also. So there also we have a hidden technicians. Okay, right. So next is we should learn about the parts of cable television, but very important you should learn is about coaxial cable. Is a specialized shielded electrical cable designed for transmitting high frequency signal with minimal interface, featuring a central conductor. In the center, there is a conducting wire which carries the information, and on the top and a conductor, dielectric insulator, metallic shield, and outer jacket. As you can see here, there is a conductor, then you have an insulator, then you have a shield wire that is more for more protection, and above that, then there is a plastic layer. So this is the arrangement of a coaxial cable. Okay. So this is very important. You should know for signal purpose. We don't use coaxial cable for supplying currents. We use coaxial cable for supplying long distance video and audio signals because it has to travel through the medium, that is conducting medium, which is there in the center. All right. So on the left hand side, you see some splitters, right, which is used for cable television. Here on the right hand side, the other parts is amplifiers, that is RF amplifiers, which are used in cable TV system, okay, where the coaxial cables are connected in both the side. Let it be splitter or let it be your amplifier. So you should know about the coaxial cable. Now, one more important topic in our consumer electronics subject, that is HDTV and smart TV. So smart TV, HDTV, you should understand these are the latest technology which are currently going on. So HDTV and smart TV are two different terms. Okay, please remember, often use interchangeably, but they represent different type of television technology, right? That means HDTV is a technology and smart TV is a different technology. HDTV primarily focuses on delivering high quality images. High definition television, we call it as HD, right? High definition television, HD. 4K, 8K, you can just go and check it out. So these are high definition television. HD word is used. That's it. And HD primarily focus on delivering high quality images with the resolution such as 720p or 1080p or even 4K Ultra HD. So these are the resolution. That is, more the resolution, better the picture or better the color and better the contrast. Whereas a smart TV is a television that includes an internal processor and onboard storage and enable internet connectivity. Similarly to a smartphone or personal computer. So here there are few in a smart TV, there are applications which can be run, or which with the help of those applications, a television program can be viewed. Like nowadays, what we have in our homes are combination of HD and a smart TV. That means we have smart TV in our homes, and nowadays what we watch, the programs, channels, they have their own application. We can run those applications in the smart TV. The size is different, the quality and this, but nowadays you get both the things together. So this is about HD and smart TV. Once again, we will just discuss about HD TV standard. Now 720p, 1080i or 1080p. Now you must be wondering what is 1080i and 1080p. So P stands for 1080, that is the number, and P stands for progressive scanning, right? Which scan the entire frame. Okay, that is P. We represent it by P. And I stands for interlace, that is splitting into two different. That means the area will be divided into two, and the two fields, and it will be scanned. So I and P, what does it represent? That is, one represent progressive, another represents interlaced. Now in smart TV architecture, operating system will be used, right? Windows or other operating system or other what we use in our mobile phones, exactly it will be same like your mobile with smartphones, exactly same. The only thing is smartphones are smaller in size and televisions are bigger in size. So Tizen, Web OS, Android, right? So like in our phones, we have Android and Apple OS. So there also we have the same system in smart TV. Connectivity, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, and HDMI. You compulsory need a Wi-Fi connection or internet for that. Apps and streaming service. That will give you the apps and streaming service. Okay, now the same topic, that is consumer electronics. We are taking one more equipment, or we are using one more consumer electronic which is used in our homes, that is microwave ovens. So we should all understand about microwave oven technology. Microwave oven uses a magnetron, a part, that is the name of the part, which is called as magnetron, to generate 2.45 gigahertz electromagnetic radiation. So this electromagnetic radiation will heat the food, which is having some water vapors or water content in the food, that molecules will be heated. That is the main function of microwave, that thing. So no flame, no fire. So it is electromagnetic radiation. That is 2.45 gigahertz of electromagnetic radiation. We call it as a microwave, okay, which causes water, fat, and sugar molecules in food to vibrate rapidly. This process called dielectric heating creates molecules friction that heat food quickly from within a metallic enclosure chamber. That is the complete compartment where it happens, and you have to close the door every time, because the microwave should not leak outside. It is dangerous for human body, because that frequency 2.54 microwave frequency is dangerous. So that's why every time when lock the door, then only it operates, ensuring energy efficiency. So please, what are the arrangement inside? That is the main part, we call it as magnetron. Then there is the complete chamber. Then there is a rotating tray on which the food is placed. There is a control panel and a power supply inside. That is the main part of microwave ovens. All right, right. The another thing what we use in daily use, that is in consumer electronics, is washing machines. A washing machine operates primarily on the nothing but centrifugation is nothing but you do rotation, that is a sort of a rotation, right and left rotation, that is called a centrifugation technique, right? Front, back, up, down. So that is called as that technique, using rapid rotation to generate centrifugal force, which pushes water and dirt out of the clothes. So mainly there are three type of washing machine. That is fully automatic front load washing machine, semi-automatic top load, where you put it everything from the top load washing machine, and fully automatic top load washing machine. There are manual machines also. That is, it is not at all automatic. That means everything has to be manual. So there will be a different compartment. From one compartment you have to take out your cloth and put it to the another. That is, one is wash area and one is dryer or spinner. So likewise, a different type of washing machine you get in the market according to your requirement. Washing machine types primarily consist of fully automatic, front load and top load, and semi-automatic, what I have already discussed. Okay, so this is about washing machine. What are the parts inside? The motor is the main part, the body and the control panel, and of course the power supply. So microcontrollers, microprocessors, there is a front panel which is used, which I will show you here. So here left hand side you can see the board, which is a control board, which is we also have some buttons and all that will operate. You have to put timer, that is on the right hand side. You will put the switch to mid, auto, high, maximum, heavy, medium, likewise, and it will grab. So please remember, when we talk about washing machines, there will be some sensors like pressure sensor. You can see here the pressure sensor, the outlet sensor, the heat sensor, and different type of sensor will be there inside the washing machine. That is, if it is automatic, more number of sensors. If it is semi-automatic, sensors will be less in numbers. So this is about washing machine. You can go for details of this. Now, one more thing we will discuss, that is camcorder systems. That is camera plus recorder. Camcorder, camera plus recording. With that, it's just like your still image cameras, photographic cameras. The lens captures visual information, which is then processed by an image sensor to convert it into an electronic signal. While the microphone record accompanying with audio. That means video and audio together are captured. As you can see, the very important part inside is image and the CCT, that which captures the complete image. So you must have seen this movie cameras and all where this thing will be there. Those are camcorders previously, but nowadays camcorders are less in this thing. Why? Because we have good cameras in our mobile phone itself. Okay, so what is the principle? The CCD and electromechanical parts will be there for the movement of the lens. And what is there inside? There will be memory, there will be display, there will be image processing, and there will be output circuit. So this is about little idea about cam chords. Okay, right. So one more chapter I have added in this, that is modern trends and innovations. You should have idea what are the modern technology which are there. That is in wireless technology. Suppose we are discussing about first about wireless technology. So we discuss about Bluetooth, LDAC. That is in when we discuss 5.0, the latest technology is LDAC, aptX HD codec, right? Wi-Fi audio. When we discuss about audio, Wi-Fi audio, higher quality, multiple rooms. Apple AirPlay 2, lossless streaming, Google Chrome audio. These are the latest wireless technologies which we are discussing about. Second is smart features, voice assistant, that is integration, Alexa, Google Assist, room calibration, Odyssey, Dirac, automatic source switching. So learning algorithm from preference, automatic sourcing switching, learning algorithm for preference. So these are the smart features which are nowadays present in your mobile phone, also the latest mobile phone also. That is, we call it as a modern technology or smart technology. Third is immersive audio. So Dolby Atmos, object-based audio, 3D. So these are all that is related to audio, the latest, to give you a good separate instruments, music and sounds. That is, we nowadays it is very common nowadays. So this is related to audio. Third one. The fourth is eco-friendly designs, entry energy, class D, amplification, recycle, lateral low, standard by power consumption and all. So nowadays power consumption, when you go to the standby power of the TV, the low power consumption will be there, the TVs and all. So these are the latest trends and the innovation. Okay, now we will go to the MCQ part, which is important for us. A few of the questions I have taken here. So what is the frequency of a microwave oven radiation? The correct answer is 2.45 gigahertz. That is question number 1. Question number 2, what does LNB stands for in D3H system? It is, I just now said that is LNB stands for low noise block down converter or low noise block. We can call it. Third is, in a washing machine, what controls the water level? The pressure switch controls the water level, right? Okay, right. Now we'll go to the question number 4. Which component generates microwave in a microwave oven? The magnetron. I told you the important part in your microwave oven is the magnetron. That is the costliest part and the important part. So that generates the microwave, right? Heating and all, that is it. So that is the part. Which component generates microwave? So magnetron is the component. Question number 5, in a cable TV, what type of cable is predominantly used? That is coaxial cable. Question number 6, what does CCD stands for? A camcorder. Charged coupled device is the correct answer. Okay, question number 7, which technology is used for optical sound recording in CDs? That is, we use pits and land. On the CD, the tracks will be there. Tracks will have pits and land where the optical sound recording takes place or storage will take place. Question number 8, in speaker specification, what does sensitivity measure? How loud the speaker plays with a given amount of amplifier power, that is, we call it as a sensitivity. The correct answer is how loud the speaker plays with the given amount of amplifier power. So these are the few questions that I found that are important for you. Only 8 questions here. So next we will discuss about some other topic. I hope you liked it. If you have any comments or questions, please do write to me. Please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time.